Okay guys, I am about to show you, and I'm really excited to share this recipe with you. It's super easy to make, but so good. And I love cheese. I love everything cheese. I always have since I was little. And this is very fitting because the person that I used to eat the most cheese with was my Papa Red. So, I'm going to recreate Papa Red's cheese dip. And I'm going to be using a block of cream cheese, a package of ranch mix, some sour cream, and a cup of cheddar. There is one other secret ingredient. It's not going to be secret after I finish this video, but I'm not going to show it to you until the very end. So let me get all this stuff mixed together. Okay guys, I've got my mixture all done. I went ahead and had to put 2 cups of cheddar cheese because the consistency wasn't right. So it's going to be 1 block of cream cheese, 1 small tub of sour cream, 1 packet of ranch dressing mix, and 2 cups of cheddar. And this is the same recipe that I use when I make cheese balls for the holidays that everybody loves. And you can either form them in a ball, wrap them up in saran wrap, and then whenever they're chilled, roll them in some hot Cheetos, some crumbled up Doritos, or even just roll them in some more cheese to coat the outside for the cheese balls, or nuts, or whatever you want. But for this recipe, I've got it mounded up in this bowl, just like my Papa Red did, because there's one final step. But before that happens, I'm going to be chilling this in the refrigerator for an hour to let it set. And then once it's done, I will show you the final step and give it a taste. Okay guys, it's been about an hour. You can let yours chill longer if you want to. And now for the secret ingredient. Pica-Peppa sauce. And the reason I haven't done a video on this previously is because I have not been able to find this sauce. This is the exact sauce that my grandpa used, and I finally found it at my local grocery store, so I bought it. It's not that cheap. It's like $3 and some change for the sauce, but it is so good on this dip. So what I'm going to do is open it up and pour it on there. Like so. And he always used tortilla chips, so for tradition, I'm going to use tortilla chip. It's breaking. And the trick is this sauce. It's very unique. It's good. It kind of tastes like Worcestershire, kind of tastes like A1 sauce, steak sauce, but different. It says for seafood, cheese dishes, salads, gravies, etc. Pica-Peppa Company was established in 1921. This sauce is aged to perfection in oak barrels and is made from the finest tropical fruits and spices. It contains no artificial coloring, flavoring, or preservatives. It's made in Jamaica. Right there. And distributed out of Louisiana. Pica-Peppa sauce. Ingredients: cane vinegar, onions, sugar, tomato paste, sea salt, peppers, raisins, ginger, mango, cloves, thyme, garlic, black pepper, and orange peel. Very unique. I was going to try it on a cracker too, just to see how it tastes on the cracker. It's good, but the tortilla chip is the way to go. So good. This brings back so many memories. Rest in peace, Papa Red. He's in heaven now. But the things that him and my nanny, excuse me, and my Mimi, they're all in heaven right now. The things they taught me, the recipes, and everything, those will last forever. And my love of cheese will too. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Try it out if you can find the sauce. But like I said, if not, you can make cheese balls out of this mixture. So good. Great for the holidays coming up. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.